Good day, viewers. Welcome back. This is Ali with Dallas Auto Diag here in Dallas, Fort Worth. Today we're working on a 2020 Toyota Camry. We're at the Hyundai dealer. Inside the Hyundai dealer service department, we're going to perform a calibration for the blind spot, the master side, which is the passenger side. This vehicle was involved recently in an accident on the passenger side, and after repair, now we're left with C1A C1 master module horizontal axis misaligned current code, which triggers a couple of warning lights on the cluster and it disables the blind spot system. We're about to perform calibration. I'm not going to show the calibration process. We're just going to show you guys the setup we use and before and after the process. Stay tuned. After using service information and marking our spots, we're using the auto cone because it's one of the best in the market, and we got it prepared for the calibration process. As you see, after we placed our target, as we said, and right now we're detecting 3.2 for the degree off center. We are good between 3.6 plus and minus. This I don't like, so I'm going to make changes to the position of the blind spot in order to minimize this. I know if I hit next, I can pass calibration. However, I just don't like that this is away really on the edge of the allowed angle. This has to be as close as possible to zero. After a couple of adjustments to the bracket, up and down, left and right, we got it as close as possible to 0.27. This is good for me. Adjustment is complete. Post scan shows blind spot monitor master, pass no fault, and the dashboard doesn't show any of the warning messages, and it shows that BSM is green and ready to be used. If you are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and would like our service, please do not hesitate to contact us and we'll be glad to help you. If you have the correct environment, there is a requirement regarding doing this type of calibrations, radar calibration, camera calibration. We do all mobile, but there is a requirement for the environment to be present when doing the calibration, and of course level ground, less noise around the calibration area when it comes to different systems. But we'll discuss this over the phone. If you are interested in our service, please do not hesitate to call us and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.